This is Steve with Boats of Dallas, January 7, 2026. Looking at this 2024 model Bass Buggy 18 Deluxe. This one does have the bigger motor on it for an 18. This has got the 75 horsepower. Most of these had either 40s, 50s, or 60s. It was bought brand new less than a year ago. Very little use. Does have a fish finder that goes right there, but it's not on the boat. Sound system. Set up for fishing. It's got the deep water swim ladder. But you can see this one at boatsofdallas.com. My name is Steve. It does have a bimini and a full cover.